Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Now, let's get started. Today, we're going to turn this baby alive doll into Star Butterfly from Star vs. the Forces of Evil. This is one of my favorite shows, and I just really want an art doll that looks like Star. So the first thing we're going to do is paint this blue dress a soft teal color. I guess it's not really a teal color, it's more of a mint green, like a very light mint green. I painted the collar, the hem of the dress, and the sleeves white. On the front of the dress, I painted a pink and purple octopus. To make Star's boots, I painted some brown boots purple. Then I added lavender trim. I made 2 horns out of white foam sheets and glued them on top of the boots. Then I added teeth and eyes. To make Star's purse, I traced 2 star shapes on a piece of felt using a cookie cutter. Then I cut them out. I painted on a face. Then I glued a piece of plastic lace in between the 2 stars to make a purse. For Star's wand, I used this baker's dusting wand. This is really used for when you're baking so that you can sprinkle things on your baked goods such as cinnamon or powdered sugar. But I thought we've got to do something even better with this because the handle twists and the ball opens up. So we're going to put a My Little Pony little squishy inside to make it look like Star's unicorn. Today I'm making the original version of her wand, and so I'm painting the wand lavender. I added some foam star stickers to the front. Then I went ahead and added the details. I made a butterfly, heart, and crown. And I also used the wand as a guide to draw some wings. To make the wand a little bit thicker, I added some lavender foam. I glued on all the accessories I just made. Then I opened up a My Little Pony Squishy Pop figure and placed it inside the wand. Okay, I don't want this pony. I'm gonna open up another one. I don't want this pony either. Okay, one more time. Yep, I'll use this one. Twilight Sparkle. That's the pony inside Star's wand. I opened up the wand and glued the pony inside. And that's how you make a magical star butterfly wand that's powered by pony. Or unicorn. Or alicorn, because this is obviously Twilight Sparkle and she's an alicorn, not just a unicorn. So there we go. Now let's try the clothes on the doll. When I added all the accessories and painted pink hearts on her cheeks, she looked fabulous. I was so impressed with how this doll turned out. She looks so cute on my shelf of art dolls with all my other custom baby alives. Now, on to the next project. For this project, we're going to turn a color-changing sequin pillow into fancy nail art. But I should warn you, I don't really know much about nails. I don't wear nails myself, so I'm not like the best person to show you what to wear on your nails. But I thought of this idea and I thought we should do it anyway, and so we're doing it. First, I removed the sequin fabric from the pillow. This fabric is really shiny. The sequins are amazing. They really catch the light. I love this already. I have these fake acrylic nails, and this is what we're going to use to glue pieces of the fabric onto. I figured out which sizes I needed, and then I glued the fabric onto the nails. Then I cut around the fabric. All right, that's looking pretty good, pretty fancy. I did this for all the nails, and then I attached them to my fingers using the supplied sticky tape inside. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called sticky tape. I don't know. I don't do nails. And that's it. Here they are in shimmering mermaid green and blue. Here they are next to my Ariel art doll. And if I flip the sequins ever so carefully, because they're very, very fragile, you can have beautiful black sequin nails. Oh, these aren't beautiful, but it was fun to make anyway. And sometimes that's all that matters when you are making art. So, okay, maybe you won't wear these to the opera or anything, but hey, it was fun. And even if you're not going to do it, at least you can see what it looks like if you did think of doing it. All right, guys, that's all for now. Enough of my nonsense. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.